Kiytana. Choose 3 neutral area cards and move them to loyalists. If moved cards are greater than or equal to 20 points, opponent may choose 1 neutral area card and place in loyalist. So Kiytana is a really strategic card from the standpoint of how you decide to distribute these points. For example, if I was going to take the 8 and 8, that's 16 points. Now, if I was to take the 4, that'd be 20, and the opponent could take another card out to their loyalist. So that would minimize how many points I can get. If I took this 3, that'd be great because that's 19 points, and the opponent wouldn't get a card. However, I could take the 8, 8, or the 10 and the 11, like this, and that's 21 points, and actually take the -3 and get me under the 20 points. So there's different ways you can skin that cat. So at the end of the day, what I'd probably do is take the 11 and the 10 and the 8, which is going to put me at 30 points, and then force the opponent to take this 8 on that side. It takes it back down to 22 points that I'm going to get.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.